if you want to make chords sound like extremely wide, let's say we're like doing F, right? And what you do is like make like multiple octaves of the chord itself, you know? And then so I'll make 2 octaves of F, and what you would do is you pan one hard right, layer 2 of the same synth, pan one hard right and one hard left, and then have the opposite notes on each one, right? For over the course of 2 octaves. And so technically those 2 synths are actually not playing any of the same information, but because it's the same chord, they like still harmonize with one another. And you get, this is a really bad example, but you'll get this effect like this. Oh, this is low pass. Yeah, this is like very processed, not for this, but like you get this. If you do that over the course of like 4 or like 3 octaves, 3 or 4 octaves, and it's like a really large instrument, that can get you space that's unbeatable, frankly. Like it will just make things so massive. That's like classic engineering, like kind of stuff. Like if you were like to look at like how a rock opera was engineered, like Queen's rock opera songs, they'll pan like a harmony right, like one of the voices will be like hard right, and then like the third will be like hard left. You know what I mean? That's kind of the trick with that. That's also very similar to how like guitars are panned. Evidently I didn't exactly do that here. I just had hard left and hard right because I think they like the detuning was at a different rate or something. I don't know, man.